Hello, Linda. I just want to talk about the perpendicular of a line that we have discussed yesterday, and the problem is to find the slope. Yes, find the slope of a line. Slope of a line perpendicular to each given line. So about this, they just gave us 9y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 2. So you have to notice that if I have a line that the equation of line is like d1, I has the equation of d1 y equal to ax plus b, and d2 it has y equal to a prime x plus b prime. So if d1 parallel to d2, that means we got then we'll get a equal to a prime. That means the slope of the first line of the d1, the d1 that I talk about is a line, right? The slope of d1 is equal to the slope of d2. So that means the line d1 is parallel to d2. And if d1 perpendicular to d2, so that we got a times a prime equal to negative 1. So that means the slope of d1 times the slope of d2 equal to negative 1. So that is the formula that you have to remember, that when two lines perpendicular to each other, and then we got the multiplication between the slope of these two lines equal to negative 1. So about 9 y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 2. So we are assigned to find the slope of a line that perpendicular to this line. So we can consider that if you think that the word assume is not reasonable, we can consider. So we can consider like consider y like d1 y equal to ax plus b is the equation of line that perpendicular to y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1. So we can consider y equal to ax plus b. So I just want to tell you that first, the exercises just didn't give us about the equation of line that perpendicular to y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1. But in this case, we can consider the word consider this. In this case, it means that consider this is equation of line that perpendicular to y. That means it's just like assumptions. When we assume or we suppose that means y equal to x plus b perpendicular to y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1. So we can consider y equal to x plus b perpendicular y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1, and then we got a times negative 1 over 2 equal to negative 1. Because in this case, we consider, so that means y here and here are already perpendicular. So when the two lines already have already perpendicular to each other, so that means we got the slope of each line times together. That means the slope of the first line times the slope of the second line, and then equal to negative 1. So a times negative 1 over 2 equals to negative 1. And then we got negative a over 2 equal to negative 1. And then we got a equal to 2. So a equal to 2. Now a equal to, now we can consider 2 is a slope of a line perpendicular to y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 2. So 2 is a slope of a line that perpendicular to a line that has equation that's the line equation as y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1. And that's it. First you have to consider, because the purpose of the exercise is about to find the slope of the line that perpendicular to that line. So that means we can consider a line that perpendicular to y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 2, and then we got the slope of the line that we considered times the slope of the given line equal to negative 1, and then we can find, we can find the value of the considered equation, and then we can consider the slope of the line that we just consider to be the answer. So that means we got 2 is a slope of the line that perpendicular to the line equation as y equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 1. That's it. Thank you. If you still don't understand, ask me.